Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get MX token using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy and swap buttons. Now here, if you want to get MX token, you can either buy them or receive them. So tap on the one that you choose and start typing in MX, then token. It's going to pop up, and when you have found it, you just have to tap on it. And this way, Trust Wallet is going to generate your own personal QR code. And with this QR code, you can start receiving coins in your Trust Wallet immediately. You can also use this QR code to scan it for yourself. If you have coins in a different wallet, you can transfer them to your Trust Wallet by scanning this code. You can also use the copy icon, which is going to copy your Trust Wallet address, and you can use that also for transactions. The second icon is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of coins, let's say 438, and when you tap on confirm, Trust Wallet is going to generate a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive this exact amount of coins, 438, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.